Hello friends, welcome to P.Campoint. In our previous video, we have done the IUPAC nomenclature of coordination compound, and in this video, we will discuss some questions related to IUPAC naming of coordination compound. And the first question is IUPAC name of this complex. As we know that the naming of the coordination compound start with the cation part, so the name will start with sodium. Out of the 4 options, 3 are using sodium and 1 is using disodium. We also know that we do not mention this 2 number in the IUPAC naming. So this is incorrect option. Name will start with sodium. After naming cation, rest is anion part. Number of ligand is 6. So hexa word is used. Hexa word is used in all these. For F we used fluorido. And in all these options fluorido is used. Now in the name of the central metal atom we know that it is a anionic part, so name will end with word ATE. In this option name is ending with CONE, so this is incorrect. In this option name is ending with ATE. This can be correct. This is firstly incorrect, and in this option also ATE word is used. Now the rest part is our oxidation state. To find the oxidation state, we know that charge on this cation is +2. So this charge here will be -2. We have to find silicon, so let it be X. There is 6 number of fluorine atom and 1 having charge -1. The total charge is -2. So the charge on the X will be +4. So +4 will be oxidation state, which is followed in this complex. Sodium, hexa, fluorido, silicate, and also oxidation state is +4. So option B is correct. Similarly, the next question is IUPAC name of this complex. Firstly, we will name cation part, which is this. The number of cation part is this, and chlorine is named after the cationic part. So option A will be incorrect. Now the number of ligand is 6, so word hexa is used, which is in all these options. For NH3 we will use word amine, which is also in all these options. Now as it is a cation, so name will simply end as cobalt, which is in this and this complex. This will be incorrect. Now the variation between these options is also only in its oxidation state. Let's find it. Let it be X. There is 6 number of NH3 ligand. Charge on one ligand will be 3, and charge on this complex, this is -3, so this will be +3, and the value of X will be 3. So oxidation state is 3, which is in this complex. Hexaamine, cobalt, 3 chloride. Here is 2, so this is incorrect. This is the correct option. Example number 3 is IUPAC name of this complex. Now in this complex we can see that we have 3 kinds of ligands. One is amine, another is chlorido, and the last one is nitro. And we know that we give the naming with alphabetic order. So in alphabetically A comes first, so naming will start with this ligand, followed by C, chlorido, and then we will mention nitro ligand. So the naming which is starting with tetraamine is right, which is all these 3. So this is incorrect. Tetraamine, and then it should be chlorido alphabetically. So these could be the correct options. Tetraamine, chlorido. Next it is nitro, which is also nitro in both the options. Now as it is a cation part, so the naming will end with simply cobalt, which is in both complex cobalt. Now the oxidation state is varying only, and after that the anion is also nitrate. So let's find it oxidation state. For cobalt is X. There is 4 number of amines atom and 1 is contributing only 0. For chlorine atom, the charge is -1. For nitro group, charge is also -1. And charge on the whole complex is, since nitrate ion is having -1, so this complex will have +1 charge. Let's equate to it +1. The value of X will be +3. So this will be the correct option. Tetraamine, chlorido, nitro, cobalt, oxidation state is 3 and this is nitrate. Option C will be correct. Then the IUPAC naming of this complex. In this complex, the cation is this and anion is this, right? So now we can see that there is En, which is a bidentate ligand. And when we name the bidentate ligand, the numbering is little different. For the 2 ligand, we will use the word bis. For 3, we will use word tris. And there is 3 ligands, so we will use the word tris. In these examples, in these options, here bis word is used, so this is incorrect. Tris word will be used. Now, En is ethane 1,2-diamine, which is here ethane 1,2-diamine. Here, this is incorrected, and here also. But the difference is this parenthesis. There is also a rule that a polydentate ligand is always enclosed in parenthesis, or I say these brackets. So this is incorrect. The correct option can be between C and D, right? So tris ethane 1,2-diamine. After that, cobalt, because it is cation, so naming will be simple cobalt. Chloride is used for this, and we have to only find its oxidation state. Let it be cobalt for X. 3 number of ethane 1,2-diamine, and charge on 1 is 0. So this is chlorine, which is showing this is -3 charge, so charge on this complex will be +3. So here we will write +3. So X will be 3. Oxidation state of cobalt will be 3, which is mentioned here. This is 2, this is wrong, so this will be the correct option. Tris ethane 1,2-diamine in parenthesis, then central metal atom name cobalt, oxidation state is 3, and